from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
The Board of Supervisors could tighten restrictions on data center proposals at tonight's meeting, and a new international flight from Richmond International Airport. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Tuesday, June 10th. We're going up to a high of 89 today, 40% chance of storms. Today's News Minute is brought to you by Service Ease.
And now for the news.
Tonight, the Henrico Board of Supervisors will consider adoption of data center regulations that would require any hyperscale data center proposed in the county to obtain a provisional use permit, a process that requires a public hearing. The move would represent a major shift in the county's approach to data center development following nearly a decade of efforts to attract those centers. Some county officials, however, have grown concerned in recent months as large-scale data center proposals popped up on sites where those officials had not envisioned them, closer to residential communities, for example. Current zoning regulations permit those hyperscale data centers to locate by right on land parcels zoned for certain office, business, office service, and industrial uses, meaning that as long as developers meet the criteria required by those classifications, their projects can proceed even if supervisors or other county officials object to them. But the amendment that supervisors are expected to adopt tonight would remove those possibilities and eliminate all by-right development options for large data centers. They'd subject all of them to the public hearing process instead. You can read more about this issue right now on our website. The meeting tonight will take place at 6 p.m. at the Western Government Center. It's been more than a decade since Richmond International Airport actually offered flights to international destinations, but that changed on Saturday when Bermuda Air departed the airport for L.F. Wade International Airport in Hamilton, Bermuda for the first time. It was the inaugural flight of what will be a twice-weekly service to the island. Flights will run on Wednesdays and Saturdays. The trip takes about 2 hours. You can learn more by visiting flybermudair.com. The Capital Region Land Conservancy's Varina LandLab conservation area has received designation as a Chesapeake Gateway site within the Chesapeake Gateway's network. The network of important places provides enhanced visitor experiences for the public to explore and learn about, as well as help conserve the Chesapeake Bay and its watershed. It was created by the National Park Service. The Land Lab is a 353-acre property in Varina that provides public access to the outdoors as well as environmental education opportunities. It's owned and managed by CRLC. You can read more about the Land Lab and this designation right now on our website. And if you missed it yesterday, our weekly Henrico Small Business Spotlight focused on Half Irishmen, the local bake shop started by a native Irishman who used to have a career in explosives. He came to the United States in 2014, started his business the following year, and is now celebrating a decade. You can read his story right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Service Ease. Struggling with your website, app, or digital product? Don't let poor user experience drive customers away. Service Ease, led by Lisa Dance, offers tailored user experience audits, usability testing, and customer research to boost engagement and sales. Unlock your digital potential. Schedule a consultation today at serviceease.net.